Okay, in this video we're going to be looking at question 18 on the study guide. Verizon Wireless would like to estimate the proportion of households that use cell phones for their phone service without a landline. So we want to estimate the proportion, the population proportion. A random sample of 150 households was selected and 48 rely strictly on cell phones for their service. Using this sample, the point estimate for the proportion of households without landlines is, so let's talk about what a point estimate is. A sample proportion is going to be your point estimate for the population proportion. So to get the sample proportion, we would use the formula for sample proportion. So let's look at that real quick. And here is the formula. Sample proportion is X over N. X is the number of observations and N is the sample size. So X, the number of observations, is 48 and the sample size is 150. So the point estimate would be 0.32, and that would be your final answer.